Hi Johan, we talked about the evolution before. Why now extra attention for the LM50EVO?
Well, it's a very interesting base motor. It will cover 80% of your market, has an interesting price and a very high reliability.
You mentioned reliability, but how do you know that?
Well, over the years we sold thousands and thousands of motors LM50K and LM50EVO. We hardly didn't get anything back. And that's very important because every callback will cost you a lot of money.
What about the pricing?
Well, the complete unit with the drawbar and two nice Evolution style remote controls has a list price of €159. So when you have that motor in your storage as an opening price point, you can always upsell to an LM60, 80 or 100 EVO. For more door speed, more opportunities for the internet gateway, an ideal upselling.
What are the limitations of this unit?
Well, I wouldn't really talk about limitations. Yes, it has a chain drive instead of a belt drive, but apart from that, from installation, reliability, price, it leaves a lot of openness way behind it.
Anything else?
Well, I just would like to come back to the reliability. FlexiForce has chosen in 2007 for Liftmaster Chamberlain as the garage door opener partner. They produce 1.5 million units per year and we hardly get anything back. So really number one in reliability, and that saves a lot of costs.